Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I welcome you to my YouTube channel. I hope all you are good health. So as you know, I will now bring websites and tokens projects in front of you. So even today I have a Solent project front of you. So project name is Solent. So let's start the video. So the Solent unfiled API is now the Gold Rush API. Go here. So modular data infrastructure for AI. So you see it in infrastructure for AI, and it also project Solent, and so you check it. EWM light clients are lightweight solutions that keeps the Ethereum and Wayback Machine trust less by scaling a Wideland. So you check it run EWM and read this white paper. So I click in the run EWM, and it's now you can run and EWM on your laptop and with the AM Light client. So you check it, and remember the word computer, it's being built, no secured. Seriously, it will get finished. And the Ethereum Wayback Machine EWM is a critical part of it, providing verified long-term and data availability postage prepared the providing verify long-term data availability postage period. The EMW Light client is a network of decentralized small nodes that prove the correctness of historical data of Ethereum, and with your laptop you can be one of the good guys and run roughly 25% APY. So secure your spot now. So I click in the secure your spot now, and you check it is docs, and run EWM test and wet list, and want to run EWM, drop your name and email to join the exclusive whitelist to run an EWM light client on testnet and supports the future of Ethereum. And so you check it, you add in the email, and what is your name, what is your telegram handle, and which organize are you with IF application, and so you submit, and never submit password through Google Forms. So I get back on the platform, and so you check it in the EWM Lite client, a lightweight solutions that keeps the EWM trustless by scaling Ethereum validation through data availability sampling dash. So you check it in the block Spetman producer and IPFS and EWM proof chain, and you check it proof chain and jobs scholars, and EWM light client, and I have get back and a light weight solution to support edit the validity of data on the Ethereum Wayback Machine. The EWM light client is a new and pivotal component of the Ethereum Wayback Machine, designed to ensure the secure, decentralized verification of Ethereum historical data. The EWM Lite client enables users to participate in the network without needing to run all full nodes. So read the white papers, and so I click in the white paper. So can you check in the white paper, EWM Lite client white paper, and click here to read EWM Light Client white paper. So I click in the EWM EWM. So you check it in the pages. So I click in the second page, abstract background, and third page is the need of for decentralized validations, and so I get back in the slides. So you check it, and I have get back, and its token is launched and by run EWM on Mainnet and earn yield on Mainnet for of roughly 25% APY, and run EWM infrastructure at low cost, and launch timeline. So you check in the launch timeline, sign up for Trustnet, and phase 1 defend launch date 26 August. 2024, and phase 2 testnet launch date September 25, 2024, and phase 3 mainnet launch date January 2025. And so join the wait list and sign up for testnet and real time status, so you check in the unique burner's address and the lead board. So client id, and you check it samples completed, completion percentage, unique hours, and join the verified data mission today. So read docs and stake your CXT and get started, learn about products, resources, social. So I click in the Twitter. So can you check in the Twitter? I have read in the Twitter, so I have get back, and Sovalent is project is very amazing. So you can check it, and I have also details in the video, and you check in the full video, and it has AI is taking blog product. So I click in the product blog. So you check in the blog leading crypto exchange proposal, giga levels, gas, and run EWM. So it's taking. So can you check it? It's taking. No Violet connected. Connect Violet for a more personalized experiences, and EWM. So you can see it in the Sovalent Twitter account. So modulate data instructions for AI powered by CXT, and Linktree. Can you see it software applications and Bridge Solimview, and you can see it Ganesh Swam and introducing the AI agent SDK and event Croc and Sovalent AI. All I want for XMS is a data availability protocol that utilize AI, and another week, another wave of progress at Sovalent, and you can see it the all details, and follow. So you follow in the Twitter, and you get a lot of benefit from the future.